What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Wildlife Productions video where we make awesome videos. And if you're new, make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And in my hands, make sure to smash the like button too. And in my hands, I got something that I need to show you guys that I didn't show you. And I've had this since for what, 2 years now? I haven't showed you guys this yet, and I would have showed it in my fishing videos, in my fishing tour video where I showed you all my gear, but I didn't because I didn't have it in my room and I just forgot. And here it is. It's my fishing rod. It's the Pflueger rod. Very nice rod. A very tall rod too, and great for casting. It is great for casting, and cast really far with this. Like, last summer we were in Wild Bill Lake, and I cast this thing like all the way, across the pond. That's a pretty big pond. It's either like a pond or like a small lake. Let me see up on the tripod here. Guys, I need to fix my rod real quick. Okay, here we go. And yes, this is the rod. Yes, if you didn't get a good look, here's a better look. We got this good reel right here. The cherry oak wood right here, and an extendable rod for here, better for casting. And yeah, it's very tall. Like I said, good for casting. And let me bring you over here real quick. So yeah, that's my fishing rod, and I'll also be showing you guys my deer. And my second deer is the one that is my profile picture. And if you can't see it good enough, well, you're about to. So let me take a look right here. That's right there. That is my dad's elk. We just haven't put it up on a like a standard, whatever you call it. And this is my deer. He has 4x4 white-tailed deer. And I shot my deer 337 yards, so pretty good shot, like really good shot. It took me 2 shots. I missed the first one and then I hit the second one, and I'm not joking on the range, like that's an actual, like, I swear that I shot it that far. And yeah, and that will be it for right now. And yeah, see you when I bring you guys back into the video. And yes, I have one more thing to show you real quick. Yes, it is right over here. Yes, and it is right here. That is my dad's puma. If you guys wanted to see that, I'm not sure if you guys do. And yeah, that is my dad's puma. And the funny story on that is that that is actually not his puma. You would see a much bigger puma. He shot that down in Argentina, down in South America. And yeah, it's just weird because the taxidermist, where they mount all the animals, mixed up the 2 pumas, so he got away like 2 times as small. And yeah, so yeah, see you guys in the next location when I bring you back in this video. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. And yes, right here I have stuff ready for when I leave to go bear hunting. And it's gonna be a mixture. I'm gonna be going bear hunting and fishing. So yeah, go follow my Instagram so you guys don't miss out on any of pictures if I don't like show you any pictures on the vlog. And if you want to check out me catching those 19 fish, also check out this website, this app called Fishbrain. It's a really fun app. You can like talk to other people around you that and you can find like the closest fishing pond or river nearby you, and if it's like, if there's one like 3 hours away, you can look on there and see if there's a closer one, like a pond to go to. And yeah, I located my bluegill over by the Yellowstone, and I didn't locate the other ones for the Irvine Park one, but yeah, so yeah, and I'll show you some of my I'm getting new fishing stuff in a couple of days, and I will be showing you my GoPro and everything, so you guys know what it looks like and what kind it is. I think I'm gonna get like a Hero 4 very soon, like in like June something, in like a week or two, which is pretty soon. So yeah, guys. Yeah, sorry about make sure to subscribe, like this video, and put my hand over and then I didn't stop the recording button. Yeah, I messed up miserably. And make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.